Hey my gems, welcome back. Today I want to talk to you guys about warm water versus cold water. When should you be using one versus the other, the benefits and the difference. So stay tuned. When shampooing your hair, it's best to use warm water as the heat from the water and the steam that it creates helps to open up your hair cuticles and pores to truly really remove that product buildup as well as the dirt and the oils that are on your hair. Be careful not to make the water too hot for obvious reasons because you want to burn that little booty meat, but also because it can strip your hair of its natural oils, which of course can lead to frizzy dry hair, which none of us wants. As you can see, the warm water did a great job with helping to remove the extra product buildup in my hair. And now I'm going to move on to deep conditioning. So I'm going to be applying the deep conditioner to my hair and detangling with my Denman brush, and already loving how my curls are looking. But first, I'm looking on your eyes. Can you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby? And this is why Naturals wash day actually takes so long. But as you can see, the warm water did a great job with being able to remove the product buildup to make an easy foundation to apply the deep conditioner. And I'm going to let this sit in my hair, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to begin the next step of the process of rinsing the deep conditioner out. But first I want to show you guys how amazing my curls are looking and feeling. I'm really loving this Dr. Miracle's deep conditioner and how it's treating my hair. Now to rinse out the conditioner, you want to use cold water. Cold water actually helps to seal in the moisture and shine because it's closing your hair's cuticles and pores. This in turn actually helps to prevent frizz and to keep your hair moisturized. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learning the differences between cold water and warm water. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you can be notified when new posts become available on my channel. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye, my gems.